Hey, welcome to Ben Armstrong Crypto. It's home of Ben Armstrong Crypto and you. And today we're celebrating the holiday season with a Christmas gift that just keeps on giving. And that's right, guys. We are talking about Solana. Does Solana have the potential to become the number one coin of this bull run? And the answer to that question is a resounding no. That's going to be XRP, but it can be number two. And we like that a lot. Because number two is still going to crush it. And I do believe that, I think that Solana definitely has the opportunity to not only be the number two coin in gains for this bull run, but I also believe, and it's time to start talking about this, whether or not Solana has the potential to catch Ethereum in market cap. And there's a lot of controversy around this because this is an idea that I introduced on my show a couple of days ago. This does not mean that Ethereum is still not going to pass Bitcoin in the cycle. I believe it's going to. But I think there is a chance that Solana could catch Ethereum. And when we do our full Solana video here in a few weeks, we'll go ahead and dig into that and find out if that is true. We're going to look at some of the numbers and try to figure that out. Remember this, guys. This is going to be an extremely difficult feat. It's going to be much different, okay? Much harder for Solana to catch Ethereum than Ethereum is going to be to catch Bitcoin. It's going to be much easier to see that happen because Ethereum is much closer to Bitcoin's market cap, percentage-wise, than anything else is to Ethereum. So I've always said for a long time, like, it's not even, why would we even talk about this? There'd be no reason to even bring this up. But guys, I'm seeing something with Solana that's very interesting. I'm seeing the VC money flowing in, but it's not just the VC money, it's the institutional inflows. Guys, Solana is a fraction of the Ethereum market cap. However, last week in institutional inflows, which means big money, Solana crushed Ethereum. And I thought for a long time, I thought when I was looking at these numbers, it was just assumed that Bitcoin and Ethereum crushed everything, and they don't anymore. Let's look at these numbers. Ethereum last week had about $3.3 million in institutional inflows, okay? That's not that much. Now remember, there's not nearly as many institutional ways to invest in crypto as there are through the regular market or with Bitcoin. But guys, Solana did 13 million. It did a 4x, basically did a 4x on the Ethereum numbers. And this is the first time I've really been looking at this and I've been thinking, if the institutional money is coming in so heavy on Solana, what does that say? And then you have to factor in ETH. Like, is Ethereum in the foundation in trouble? There's a lot of stuff coming out about the Ethereum Foundation, about Vitalik Buterin, about maybe some of the things that occurred leading up to William Hemmon's speech on behalf of the SEC, where he basically said that Ethereum and Bitcoin are not securities, right? It looks like Ethereum influenced him to do that financially. That's what everybody tends to believe. Now, not the coin itself, Ethereum can't do that, but the Ethereum Foundation, Joseph Lubin, Vitalik, these people, they definitely had opportunity to do things like that. The point is, with all this stuff going on in the background around Ethereum and there's warring going on behind the scenes, is there potential that you're gonna see VCs move towards Solana and away from Ethereum because of maybe some of these secondary arbitrary issues? And I think that that could be the case. Now look, if Solana 4x's Ethereum's numbers institutionally in the bull run, what would that mean? Would that mean that it's going to catch it? No. Solana needs a lot more than just a 4x numbers from Ethereum to catch up because it's down by more than 25%. And remember, the institutional part here is only one part of the overall market. Let's get down to brass tacks here, guys. What do I believe? What does Ben Armstrong believe about Solana compared to Ethereum? Now, I'm not going to try to sit here and compare these blockchains. They're not comparable. Solana is centralized, it can be paused, but that means it's fast, and that means that the transactions go through extremely quick. There's no congestion, and if there's a problem with the blockchain, they just shut it down and fix it. Like, right, not the spirit of crypto. That doesn't matter. You guys knew I did name my new dog Solana. You can see us together. What a beauty, what a beauty, what a little cutie. But the fact here is, do I believe that Solana will catch Ethereum in this bull run? The Ethereum blockchain, it has slow congestion issues. It's faster now, it's proof of stake. That's not a free stake ad, by the way. But the point is that, wait a second. Was that a free stake ad? Actually, that was. Let's go back to that, guys. Thank you to our main channel sponsor, Stake. They are one of the greatest companies in the history of the world, in my opinion. And you should check them out if you like playing games with crypto. You guys can go check it out. We'll pop a QR code on the screen and one down below in the description. So you guys can have a good time with Stake if you want. It's a crypto-friendly company in Australia. And we think the world of them, and that's why they're a sponsor of the channel. Very supportive, have been supportive of me. So you guys, do me a favor, Go support them. Make sure though, be safe at all times. But the fact is here, we know that the Ethereum blockchain, it has some issues. It's better now, but it still has issues. The market cap is so big that that's going to prevent it from moving the way that a coin like number 74 would be. And Solana as well, being outside the top 10. But Ethereum and Bitcoin, they stand alone above all the other altcoins. They stand alone above them all. So what this means is that Solana's got to even get in that conversation. XRP, I believe, potentially can get in that conversation with Ethereum in this cycle. But do I believe that Solana will pass Ethereum? No, I do not. Why? The numbers are just so massively big and skewed. But is there a chance that it can happen? And I'm going to say yes. At this point, I would probably put it about a 15 to 20% chance on how confident I feel in this. Let me know what you guys think about this. Do you believe Solana and the Solana soldiers, that we can bake that, Solana lasagna, and we can get those gains and see this thing run to beat Ethereum? Because I got to be honest, the more I find out about the Ethereum Foundation, I don't really care that much about supporting Ethereum. But I'm not against Ethereum, and I'm going to invest in it. It's going to make a lot of money. I'm not against it. But definitely, don't really care that much about it, to be honest with you, compared to a lot of these other chains. That's why I'm not the leader of the ETH maxis, okay? You guys, let me know what you think down below in the comments. Do you believe that Solana can pass Ethereum in this bull run? Solana soldiers for life. That's all I got. Hey, listen, make sure to smash that like button. You know you want to smash. Be blessed.